Hi there. Let's talk about converting milliliters to fluid ounces. Today, we'll convert 300 milliliters to fluid ounces. Here's how it works. 1 milliliter is approximately equal to 0.0338814 fluid ounces ***. To find out how many fluid ounces are in 300 milliliters, we multiply 300 by 0.0338814. Let's do the math. 300 times 0.0338814 equals 10. 1442 fluid ounces ***. For simplicity, we can round this to 10. 14 fluid ounces ***. So 300 milliliters is roughly equal to 10. 14 fluid ounces ***. And that's it. A quick and easy conversion. Thanks for listening.